Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dawn and this is Beauty and the Diabetes. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some purchases that I made at New Skincare. I purchased two previous boxes that I had skipped over earlier in the year. One of the boxes is Rain Organica and then the other one is Skin Essence. Both of these boxes are still available on the website for $68 each, but I'm just gonna get into them. They come like this. Actually, these have two of them plus a smaller box that I'm gonna get into. And they all came in a big box, so I'm gonna open this one up first. I don't know which one this is. I didn't even open them yet. And let's see. Guinea pigs are going. And this one that I just opened up is the Skin Essence Organics. And it came with a little pamphlet in there, which is really nice that I can see. Whoops. What's in here. And there's, let me see. I'm gonna open it up. It came like this, wrapped up. And then there's more underneath to make sure they don't break. And then for the final step, they're in these boxes. So I'm going to take them out, each one, and we'll look at them. So this is the facial in a jar. This is the exfoliating and softening mask. And no, it's a powder mask. I thought it was a liquid mask. There go the guinea pigs. And then the next one in here is the Nourish Facial Moisturizer. And this is a jar of 1.01 ounces of moisturizer. Okay, I'm gonna just dispense a little bit here. Okay, it's an oil moisturizer. That's how it comes out. Smells pretty good. Then the next one in this box is actually there's two more left. And this one is the rosehip oil. So it's certified organic, unrefined, and cold pressed. And let's see what we got here. It's similar to the moisturizer. It's the same weight, 30 mils, 1.01 ounces. I'm not going to dispense any of this because we know what rosehip oil is all about. And the last item in this box is the Fresh Facial Cleanser, and this is 120 mils and 4.05 fluid ounces. Let's see, it's the Fresh Facial Cleanser, yeah, 4.05 ounces. These are all Leaping Bunny certified, so even better. Let me see. I open the top, let's see what we get. Okay, it's like a gel, like that. And the second box I'm unboxing is also from earlier this year. It is the Rain Organica, and it comes like this when I got the box. And they show you a routine on the back. This is a different card. I'm wondering if they adopted this card after that other box, the Skin Organics, because this month's box, July, August, has a similar card, but I'm just going to get into this. Let's see what we have. And the reason why I skipped earlier in the year is because I had some things I needed to get through, and I did. But I want these now. And it's really wrapped up. Wow. Each one is wrapped up in that paper. And the first one I have here is the Firefly Facial Mask. And it is 1.7 ounces on here. I'm going to open it. There might be a seal on the top. There isn't. It looks like little grains of salt. It might be. It's a jasmine rice mask that also nourishes and hydrates with azuki beans and chia seed. Sounds interesting. I'm definitely going to give this one a try. The next item from them is Leave No Trace Rinse-Free Facial Cleanser. It doesn't say the exact ingredients. Oh, they're on the back. Okay, it's water, candelilla wax, meadow foam seed oil, Dead Sea mud, glycerin, cetyl alcohol, cucumber distillate, and that is certified organic, aloe leaf juice. The next one, there's 5 in this box for this particular one, is the light mist, the toner mist, and it is 4 ounces. It says it's an oil-free, antioxidant-rich toner with soothing organic cucumber and rose hydrosols plus vitamin C to protect from the effects of the sun's UV rays. If it has vitamin C in it, though, you really should be using a sunscreen because you can get a sunburn much quicker using active ingredients. But let's see if I can spritz this guy. It smells like, I like that. It does smell like cucumber a little bit. And the next one, it is the I Am Enough Facial Oil Blend. And it says it's skincare for minimalists and nature lovers on the side here. Probably see that. It says blend a few drops with your lotion in the palm of your hand before applying. So it's designed to go with this because it's only 0.5 fluid ounces, 15 mils. It's designed to go with the moisturizer. Yeah, this is it. So I'm going to take this out of the box. That's what the little, it's a dropper bottle. It says brighten and restore. It has meadow foam seed oil, argan oil, pumpkin seed oil, evening primrose oil, tamanu oil, coenzyme Q10, and rosemary leaf extract. This is going to probably smell pretty good. Let's see. Has an interesting scent. Yeah. It does have an interesting scent, especially adding the pumpkin seed oil in there. It gives it that more like pumpkin-y type scent. And the last one I said was the First Light Day and Night Lotion. And this contains resveratrol and vitamin C to protect and hydrate packed essentials. It says apply day or night to clean and tone skin. Use solo or blend with I Am Enough oil or Rain Lily serum before applying. That didn't come in the box, but I could find that and leave a link for it below. I'm going to take a little look at this one and see. Okay, that's it. It's not runny. It kind of mixes in with the oil, and I can't pick up any scent from this because the oil is overpowering the scent. So I don't, yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything at all. What I wanted to say is that I really like this particular box, subscription box, because it's not really expensive. They do have 2 different boxes. One is where you get the full box every other month on odd months, and that one is $47 a month. And they also have a pared back version, which is the essentials, and that one is $37 a month. I think you get like 2 to 3 products, whereas the skincare box, which I get, is sometimes 3, sometimes 5. It depends on the products. But I wanted to talk about the current box for July and August. That box is called, the brand is called Forest Rhapsody. I have never heard of that brand before, so I was a little surprised when I got the product what they were. They're something different compared to what we would normally get in the box. And one of the products in the box that I didn't think I was going to like at all, but has turned out to be my favorite, is the Dewdrops Cleanser. This is a very thick enzymatic cleansing gel, and I've been using it since I got it, and you can see I barely put a dent in it, even though you can see that it's not going anywhere at all. It's just staying in the jar. This one I really like because it, like I said, it goes on quite thick, but as you work it in, it turns into something different. It gets a lot thinner, and you can just keep massaging it in. I've used it as a mask before taking a shower. I left it on, 15 minutes? If you're interested in this box, I'll leave a link to that box below. It's quite good. It has, I'm trying to think, do I have the card? Yeah, I have the card here from this one. It has this one, it has Marine Hydrator, it has a Barrier Warrior, it's a peptide gel, and 2 separate masks in there. I like the Green Nectar Marine Hydrator as well. You have to shake it up though before you use it because it does separate. But I also have one item that I got in that's online that was on sale, and I kind of thought it was funny to put that in this big box. This is something I've used before, and it's the Carigron Lip Whip. I got that in, I think, a Carigron box a long time ago. And this is the Whipped Color Balm with a moisturizing blend of organic calendula and camellia oils. Say that time, that's right. Yeah, the packaging has really changed. This used to be a dark container, and the cap was it was black, and this wasn't glass. I think it was all plastic. It's good to see that they're moving away from using just plastic in their packaging, and yeah, you can see that. I like that shade. I don't think I had the shade. Just gonna see if I can. And you can barely see it. Yeah, it's pretty sheer. It's sheer. I'll wear it. Right now I have a different lip balm on. These boxes I purchased on my own. Everything here is purchased on my own, but I wanted to get them before they ran out, because usually at the end of the year they'll have sales and these products will go right out the door. People buy them for the holidays, for themselves, to give gifts, which is what I did a couple of years ago, and I think I did it last year as well. This is it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think of the 2 different brands, Brain Organica and the Skin Essence. These are brands I have not used before. I heard of the Skin Essence. I had not heard of Brain Organica either. And take care. Have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe before you go. Thanks. Have a great one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.